Hi everybody, I'm Catalina. This is Catalina's Crochet, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this guy. And this guy. Are they so cute? This guy's the first one I made. He has a pom-pom tail that's a bit too big for him, but I really like his curly cute ears. And this guy has a normal tail, but I will show you guys how to make both. I started off with a pattern that I found online. I decided to write down this pattern, and it was a lot. And these are double-sided. So I decided to take this pattern and to rewrite it, because this one had everything written out completely. It had, instead of single crochet, it said single crochet. So I decided to make it a bit easier, and then I realized that if I did it by this pattern, then the back of this guy would have the weirdest seam, and it would make no sense. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to make it even better. And then I decided, you know what, I'm going to write it out. So I decided to write out the whole pattern correctly. And that's how you get this guy with no seams. Looks perfect. Cute little tail, cute little paws, cute little ears. So that's what we're gonna do. I am gonna show you how to do both the pom-pom tail and the normal tail. But the first thing I wanted to tell you guys about was that if we look right here, well, actually, you know what? Before we start off that, I'm going to tell you guys about the yarn. The yarn I've decided is this one. This is Walmart's Super Saver something ombre. I made my beanie out of this, and I really like it because it's pretty big and it's pretty forgiving. So you could mess up, redo, mess up, redo. It usually suggests for itself to use a 5.5 millimeter, which I believe is an I. I might be wrong, but for when you're making these guys, you don't want a 5.5. You want something a bit smaller. So like we showed you in your first video, you're gonna want a 5, which is perfectly fine. Then I use this tallier. And minimum, hold on, let me grab them, a little slippery, 2 stitch markers. You're also going to want an embroidery needle. Can you see it? There you go. Looks beautiful. I got that one in a kit. You can also find one in a kit. You can also buy one. You're also going to want scissors. These are hair scissors because I don't have fabric scissors. At least I didn't at the time. You're also going to want buttons for the eyes. I'm also going to show you guys how to make the nose. The nose, you're not going to need a 5.5. You're going to need your smallest hook you own. Which for me, thank goodness, I bought a kit because this is a 2.5 millimeter. 2.5 out of 5. Look at that. Can you see the difference? That's crazy. But we're going to use this plus our thread, and that's how we're going to make the eyes. The eyes, the nose. You're also going to want paper. If you do not have tally marker, you're going to want paper to tally things. Because tallying is very important. Because you're going to have sections where it goes row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5 to 11. Same thing. I've already taught you guys how to count rows, but it's a lot easier if you already just keep track, at least keep track of the 10s, you know, the 5s, like, hey, I've already done 5, cool, done. I've done 5 more, cool, done. You're not gonna have to keep track as much. In this, I mean, you are because of this part and then this part, but it's not as much. It's about 6 and 7 rows separately. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about it. So here, very first row right here, it says magic ring, chain 1, 10 single crochets in ring, join 2 first, single crochet, chain 1. All that is magic ring 10. And you guys already know how to make magic ring because we already did it. In the next episode, I'm going to be showing you guys from overhead so you guys can see my hands with these gorgeous nails. And I'm going to show you guys, and we're going to go from start to finish of this entire thing. I think that's it. I think that's about as much as I can think of right now. Make sure you have buttons. You don't need them right now. We're going to start, because this guy starts off from the bottom to the top, right here. Try to use similar yarn as I do. I don't know what yarn it is, but it is medium 4 weight, I think. So whatever yarn you can use with a 5mm, all right, or a USH, or an 8, or a 5mm, whatever you call it, use it. And as we go along, I'll also say whatever the single crochet means. Just remember, single crochet in the US is double crochet in the UK. Whatever I say, do the next one up. So half double crochet is half triple crochet. Double crochet is treble crochet. Very easy to remember. Just go up, and then you'll be in the right area if you're in the UK. We're gonna do this next time. I think that's it. I'm hearing people outside because there's something going on, and I don't like to be left out. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna get all this ready, and then we're gonna do next video. Bye, guys.